Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I am Kevin, and today I'm going to make some, well, I was hoping would be a little more puffier, but I'm making some what I'm calling Puffy Taquitos. All right, homemade Puffy Taquitos. See, their ends are a little puffed up. They're pretty hot. Now, I don't know if you've ever heard of the Puffy Taco or not, but Puffy Tacos, you make your corn tortillas fresh, and then you fry the fresh tortilla without cooking it first. You fry the raw dough and the dough puffs, and then you fill your meat, and they're absolutely delicious. In Southern California, there used to be a place called Puffy Taco, and it was so good, so good. They went out of business, and I never had one since, and I've always wanted one. I have seen other people make them, and I thought, man, I need to make some Puffy Tacos, and eventually I will, but not for this video, because I wanted to make Puffy Taquitos. And they're not as puffy as I wish they were, but they look pretty darn good. And this is not only just a Puffy Taquito, this is a Puffy Brisket Taquito. This is the final cook of that the One Brisket Many Meals series from Man Kitchen Recipes that I didn't duplicate, but I made a meal over here on TortillaTakeover. So this is the 5th one on video, but I had more left over than what I actually made. I probably made 10 meals out of the pieces that I've had. So this is the last piece of the brisket. I saved a little bit from the shepherd's pie and just the brisket part. And yeah, these are my Puffy Taquitos. Let me show you how I make them. We'll come back, we'll do a taste test. All right, first things first. I got a cup of maseca. I'm gonna add like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you're just gonna start, let me mix that up a little bit. And you just wanna start with a little bit of hot water. I've got 3/4 cup here, most likely. I won't use it all. Sometimes you have to, sometimes you don't. Okay, so you want it to feel like Play-Doh. That looks pretty good. I'm just gonna, got my hand wet. Now it's gonna be a little moist, but that's okay. I'm gonna let this rest for about 5 minutes, covered with a damp towel. And while that's resting, I'm going to heat up some oil for, hopefully this works, the Puffy Taquitos. But we'll see. I'm going to do a couple of them, make sure they're going to work, and I'll go from there. All right, this has been resting roughly 5 minutes. And I'm going to pinch off some balls here and roll them around and see if I flatten them out. If they crack, they're not cracking, so we should be good. Hope those are big enough. Let's see what we got here. I don't want them too small, and I don't mind them big, but okay. Just kind of guesstimating the size for each one. Some might be bigger than others, which is fine. The bigger actually probably a little bit better for what I want to make here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. That'll work. Actually, I'm going to put these back in here and cover them while I do my little experiment. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna try pressing one of these in my press-a-pan. I do have a tortilla press. Let's see. Let's put it this way. And I got a gallon bag here that I cut the zip off and cut the sides off. I'm going to push that down a tiny bit. Okay. Cover it. And see how this will do. Okay. Didn't make a big one. I kind of want it bigger than that. Okay. Okay. I guess that'll work. Okay, so that's the first one. Press pan work. This is good because eventually one of these days I want to make some large corn tortillas. Okay, so what I got going over here is here's that brisket from the last piece of brisket from the One Brisket Many Meals series, and I know most people, well, some people know about Puffy Tacos. Puffy Tacos, you use your raw tortilla, you fold it with the taco and you fry it, and it puffs. So what I want to do is, and this might be too much meat, but that's okay. I want to try making some Puffy Taquitos. Will it work? I have no idea. Oh, I got a tear. It's okay. So I'm going to roll it like this. Okay, and there's one taquito. Set it aside and get at least one more, maybe two more done, and then we'll see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'm just making corn tortillas. Maybe just brisket tacos, but or you know, homemade taquitos with homemade corn tortillas. All right, so let's do another one. I think this press-a-pan does pretty good. I have, like I said, I have a regular tortilla press, but I kind of like the way this one's working. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do one more and then we'll see if this works. Okay, my oil is hot. Get these in there. All right, wish me luck. Here we go, 350 degrees. All right, we're gonna let those cool off a little bit. We'll taste them, see if they're any good. Okay, here they are once again. Let me see. They do look a little puffy. If you look at them, they have puffed up a little bit, more so than like a regular taquito. A regular taquito, the tortilla is flat around and it's not puffy like that. See this one right here? Pretty neat, huh? So the idea was there. They didn't do, I was hoping they puffed up a lot more, but they didn't. So I hope they're cool enough right now. They're a little warm to the touch, but I'm going to do a taste test anyway because we need to get this going. And I wasn't sure I was going to make the rest of them. I only made these 3. I'm going to go ahead and make the rest. So here we go. Puffy Brisket Taquito for the final One Brisket Many Meals series on also Tortilla Takeover. Cheers. It's hot. I will say that this is one very tasty taquito. I've made taquitos before, but I've never made them with fresh masa, fresh corn tortillas, and these were fried with the raw dough, and the dough is cooked. It just didn't puff like I was hoping, and maybe because it's rolled, it didn't puff. Maybe I'll do a taco and show you. But anyway, if you get a chance to make some homemade corn tortillas, they're really super easy to make. I mean, it's basically water and masa. You just got to get the right humidity in that masa, the right amount of water so they don't split and crack. But anyway, thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. I hope you make some homemade fresh corn tortilla taquitos. And if yours puff up better than mine did, then you did better than me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Come back and see what else we got going on. I hope you have a great day. That's what I like.